Hello everyone, welcome to Unionwell's channel. The G6 series of miniature general-purpose microswitches are used in people's daily life, industrial production, and are widely using home appliance control and industrial control, such as telephones, air conditioners, computers, alarms, warning guns, and etc. Today we are particularly introducing microswitch that are used in barcode scanner. G605 is mainly used in handheld scanners. The application scenarios of handheld scanners are very wide, such as shopping malls, supermarkets, express delivery, warehousing, access gates, document management. Our stable microswitch provides ideal support for the use of handheld scanners, one click to triggers and quickly identify barcodes, which provides an effective protection for the daily use of major business. A 605 switch is used on one barcode scanner. The switch is winded on the PCB board after installing in the plastic protective cover. It forms a linkage along with an external button of a scanner. The external force triggers the button and gives a signal to the operation of scanning. Scan the barcode and feedback information to the computer. This G605 microswitch is equipped with standard straight lever and right side PCB terminal. Adopts ring structure and silver contact. Its electrical rating can fetch up to 5A125. AC operating temperature is from -25 cert degree to 125 cert degree. It's characterized by small size, compact structure, long life, high reliability, strong sensitivity, and also has ENEC CQC certification. If you want to know whether the microswitch can be used in your application, feel free to contact us throughout the following website and email. Follow our subscription number for more switch information. Thank you for watching.